welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna play the new wolf box and see what we get. I always wanna get this lava wolf, so we're gonna be buying one today and see what we get. Okay, let's buy the wolf box. There we go, I got it. Okay, for good luck, I'm gonna go right over here and try to. Okay, let's open it now. How to go? Oh, I got a ghost wolf. It's okay. I'll try next time, guys. Meet you next time. Bye, guys. Have a great day. In my next video, I'm gonna open one more box and let's see what happens.